Hey folks, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see all about inner joints. Okay, how does the inner joint works and what is the query and how to execute the query and how to run the query. Everything we are gonna see in this video. If you are new, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's see with the help of the simple example. Okay, let's see. This is my two tables. As you can see, here is a customer table and this is my order tables, and we will insert firstly some random data, as I will show you how does the inner clause works. And finally this is our data. As you can see here, these are the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 in the customer table, and this is the 1 2 3 5 in the order table. Okay, cool. Now this is our data. If we talk about how does the inner joint works, then the answer is it will create a new table in which it will add only the common data from these two tables. It will calculate and it will add this common data into the table. It means, like example I will show you, here is 1 and here is 1. Okay, it will add the first one, and 2 2. Okay, it will add second. 3 3, it will add third one. Here is 4, but here is not a 4, so it will cancel this 4. It will not calculate here 4, and it will simply move here towards the 5 and it will check it. Okay, here is 5 and here is 5. Okay, I will add this, and here it will become 5. If we talk about what it will add into our new table, then the answer is it will add 1 2 3 and 5. As you can see, these are the common rows between these two tables. This is how, like, I will show you with the help of the another example. As you can see, this is my two tables, and just a second. Okay, cool. This is our two tables, as you can see in front of us. Okay, this is our two tables. As you can see, this is our customer table and this is our order table. As if we talk about what are the common columns between these two tables, and the answer is customer ID, because here you can see the customer ID and here you can see the customer ID. Okay, these are the common columns from the both tables. Okay, now if we talk about what it will add the inner joints in the new table, then the answer is in front of you. Here you can see, here is 1 and here is 1, here is 2, here is 2, and it will add this both. And if we talk about 3, then it will not add about 3 and it will skip this. As you can see, just remember the name here, Peter Parker, and I will show you in at the last with our SQL, with help of our SQL, that it will not show us the Peter Parker name, and it will justly skip it. And here you can see these are 4 and 4 5 5. It will skip only the 3 because there is a no column row between these two tables. Because of that, now simply you have understood, I think. Let's see you with the help of the MySQL. Okay, if we talk about how does our inner clause query looks, then the answer is here. You can see select and from customer tables, and here inner clause query. Here you can see, we will see in the MySQL how to execute this query. Here you can see, we will just select it and we will go to our MySQL, and this is our same data. I will pitch it and I shown you in the images. Okay, now this is my query, and just run it and see it. Okay, here you can see what I told you. It will remove the third one. As you can see, what is about third one name. If we check about what is the third one name, then you can see here, just a minute, it is scamming us. Here you can see the Peter Parker. Okay, it will not show us the name as Peter Parker. As you can see here, it will not show us the name of the third one because there is a no common columns, or there is a no common rows between the columns between the two tables. Because of that, it has not shown us the data. Okay, this is how we have shown the how the inner flows works like this. If you are new, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. In the next video, we are going to see about how does the left column works and what is the query. Everything we are gonna see. Let's see you in the next video.